Hello everyone, this is Deanna, the Organized Miss, and I'm back with another Junk Journal July. Thought I'd do kind of a junk journal with me, kind of go through my process because I am sick with you-know-what, and so I haven't really participated in that many the last couple of days. I feel better today, not fully well, but I'm better enough that I'm getting bored just sitting on my couch or lay in bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to work through a prompt here today, mostly because I just do not feel creative. And I thought this would kind of help me work through it. And if you see turmeric on my fingernails, it's because I'm having a lot of golden milk tea. I promise. I'm washing my hands frequently. But anyway, today's prompt, let's see, today is, what is today? Today is the 12th. Yes, today's the 12th. So the last prompt I did was wallpaper on the 8th. I made a post on the 10th that I clearly was taking a timeout. I took the prompt seriously, and I took the prompt so seriously, but I'm feeling well enough today that I thought I would do the prompt for today, which is dyed, and maybe I might incorporate a fussy cutting from day 11. So that's where we're at today. We're going to use coffee dyed something, or dyed something, I guess, is the prompt. And I tried to narrow down what I thought I was going to use. I have this little bag in my box. Here's some of that. So this was just a book, you know, it was sitting around the book. I thought, you know, this would make a great pocket envelope. I don't know yet. So we have some coffee dyed paper. So that's what I'm going to do with this prompt. I'm going to go with dyed, and I'm using coffee dyed. Let's see what I got over here. So my coffee dyed, some music, a book page. Is that all my coffee dyed? Okay, that's all the coffee dyed I've got here. And then I have some textured things. I have this tissue paper, this music paper, which I do have the whole roll of. Maybe this needs to be what I do with the prompt, the July label. I'm probably not going to use this one. It's a good idea. And I have plenty of this, so I'm not going to use that. So then I have for color, so I have my background collaging pieces. For my color, I pulled out, this is an envelope. It's definitely, I think, maybe gonna be too big for this. It went with a card that it is, but you know what? I could use half of it. Okay. I don't know what I did with the card, but I think I used it in some other project and like cut it out, like Fussy Cut or something. I have this. I got this at a Goodwill or Salvation Army. I don't really know where I got it. I do know it was a thrift book. And I thought, it said Painted Ladies. I didn't realize it was butterflies. I thought they were different flowers. I mean, if I'd read it, I would have noticed that. But, I mean, butterflies are okay, but I really like the flowers in here. So I thought maybe I could fussy cut. That could be my fussy cut for, I mean, that's kind of cute. My fussy cut element for this prompt. That one's kind of cute. I don't know. So maybe I'll just flip through here and see what else is in here that I think I would like. Okay, I was about to say none of these are really speaking to me, but that one's kind of cute. Okay, you know what? Let's just do it. This one is speaking to me, although that one is kind of cute. I really like this one. I mean, I kind of like all of it. How am I going to cut that out if I like it? I don't know. This little book, 45 cents at a store. It's just craft paper. Make a good, I thought I could pull it out for collage elements, or I could make a pocket out of it. I wasn't sure. Obviously, I have the whole book, so it of itself would make a cute little journal. I don't know. I'm not 100% sold on that. And then this book, another rescued 25-cent book that was no longer property of the school district, but you know, they got some cute little illustrations in here, black and white, and I feel like there were some colors in here. Yes. Oh, okay. I don't know that that's exactly the look I'm going for. I mean, I don't know. I mean, that is cute. Oh, look at that, butterflies. I'm not doing butterflies. That's not, maybe this one. You know, they don't match exactly, but it's fine. I'm gonna use that one. I know some people use like a straight edge to cut it in there, but I don't really have that, so we're just gonna gently tear along there. All right. Oh, you know, I really think this is starting to come together. Okay, but I wanted to include something coffee dyed. Let's go ahead and tear this out. So I turned off the camera when I thought I was done, but I just didn't feel like it was enough. And since I had this cardboard, I decided to go ahead and cut it out and put it there. And then Fussy cut some more Fussy got some more flowers out, and I am finally happy with it. So this is my final Fussy Cut coffee dyed prompts. Anyway, thanks for letting me share with you. I hope you're having a great day, and if you are doing Junk Journal July, have a video or channel, please drop a message below. And if you're not, but you're on, you know, Instagram or whatever, tag me, because I would love to see what you're doing, how you're doing it. Thanks. Have a good day.